Amazon Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 is an object storage service. An object consists of data and metadata. The metadata is a set of name-value pairs that describe the object. Buckets are containers for objects stored in S3. An object is uniquely identified within a bucket by a key. The object named photo/puppy.jpg is stored in the John Smith bucket, and it is addressable using this URL: http://johnsmith.s3.region.amazonaws.com/photos/puppy.jpg. Amazon S3 offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security and performance. Customers of all sizes and industries can use it to store and protect any amount of data for a range of use cases, such as websites, mobile applications, backup and restore, archive, enterprise applications, IoT devices and big data analytics. Amazon S3 offers industry-leading performance, scalability, availability, and durability. It can easily meet fluctuating demands by automatically scaling your storage resources up and down without upfront investments or resource procurement cycles. Amazon S3 is designed for 11 nines of data durability, because it automatically creates and stores copies of all S3 objects across multiple systems. This means your data is available when needed and protected against failures, errors, and threats. Amazon S3 also offers unmatched security, compliance and audit capabilities. It secures your data from unauthorized access with encryption features and access management tools. S3 is the only object storage service that allows you to block public access to all of your objects at the bucket or the account level, with S3 Block Public Access. You should enable block public access for all accounts and buckets that you do not want publicly accessible. S3 maintains compliance programs such as PCI DSS, HIPAA High-Tech, FedRAMP, EU Data Protection Directive and FISMA, to help you meet regulatory requirements. AWS also supports numerous auditing capabilities to monitor access requests to your S3 resources. Amazon S3 is the most supported cloud storage service. You can choose to work with a partner from the AWS Partner Network (APN), which is the largest community of technology and consulting cloud services providers. The migration partners can help you to transfer data to Amazon S3. The storage partners offer S3 integrated solutions for primary storage, backup and restore, archive and disaster recovery. You can also purchase an AWS integrated solution directly from the AWS Marketplace, which lists over 250 storage-specific offerings.